Hello students, today we are going to discuss size of the cells and shape of the cells from chapter 2, that is the cell of class 6. Okay, so students, basically you know the difference between the unicellular organism and the multicellular organisms. Okay, unicellular organisms, okay, the unicellular organisms, their body in itself is made of a single cell, okay, and all the activities they are carried out by that single cell only. But in multicellular organisms, okay, these are the organisms which are made up of many cells, like plants, animals, and we human beings. So our body, they are made up of many cells. So basically the cells in the multicellular organisms, their size, it varies means it is different. Okay, so the size, it may vary from 0.1 micrometer and up to 1 meter. Okay, so blood cells, that is red blood cells, okay, they are 7 micrometer in size, and nerve cells in the body, these are the longer cells. Sometimes these nerve cells may be up to 1 meter also. Okay, so here you can see red blood cells which are present in the blood, these are the smallest. Okay, nerve cells, these are the longest, and egg cell of ostrich, okay, it is the largest. So you can see here the egg cell of ostrich, it is about 17 centimeter in diameter. Okay, now you can imagine how much big that cell is. Okay, so here you can see different sizes of the different cells given here. Okay, now shape of cells. Students, as the size of the cell is different, the shapes in cells also vary. Okay, so these cells may be squamous, like square shape, columnar, like column shape, or they may be cuboidal, like cube like. Okay, so basically they are oval or round in shape. Some of them are elongated means thread like. Okay, and some of them may be having branches, or some of them may be having without branch. Okay, like amoeba, it is the cell which is irregular in shape. Amoeba is not having a fixed shape. Now students, here you can see some of the shapes of various cells are given. Like you can see, this is squamous cells, this is cuboidal, and these are the columnar. Okay, so cheek cells जो हमारे गाल में present है, these are the shape of muscle cells. These are the shapes of cells which are present in our intestine. This is ovum. These are bone cells. These are the shapes of red blood cell. You can see it is oval or disc shaped. This is white blood cell. It is like amoeba shape. Okay, then this is fat cell, and this is the nerve cell, and this is sperm. Okay, so these shapes, they vary from cell to cell. Okay, multicellular organisms, they contain million of cells, and the cells, they vary in shape as well as they vary in the size.